Hi everybody, it's Robbie from Southern California with a real quick tip if you have a problem with your mask slipping off your face. Now I wear a mask around the garden if it's smoky outside, we've had a lot of fires, if I'm working with dust, or just to go maybe to the grocery store if you have to go. Here is the issue. A lot of people are wearing paper masks as well as cloth masks, but when you put them on, they slip. You'll see as you're talking, your chin will pull it down and they will slip down. That's because paper is slippery. It slips on your face. So here is a quick suggestion. I love paper tape. I use it when I cut myself in the garden or anything. It's good for sensitive skin and it's perfect for this. You take a piece of paper tape, doesn't matter how long, maybe 6 inches or so, you can do it longer or shorter, and you fold it where you now have a double-sided tape. Sticky tape on both sides. Now to make it a little more secure, what I like to do is I take one more piece, a little piece off the paper tape, and the sticky side towards me, up, not sticky down, because it's going to stick to what's sticking already. And you make a little, like, sandwich it around. So now what you've got is you've got a piece of sticky tape. Both sides, double-sided tape. You take your mask, find your wire, and if it's on the cloth, the same thing where your nose is going to be, and you press it down really good. And that's it. Now, when you fold this and put this on your face, it is not going to slip. You have created a skid, an anti-skid. So it's not going to skid anywhere. It's not going to slip. You can talk. This is great for adults, kids, or anybody. It's not going anywhere. And all you need is paper tape. And let me tell you, I've got a mask that I've been wearing all week because of the smoke and the fires in the garden. And I'm wearing the same mask just to prevent the smoke from getting in my face. And all week that tape has worked because it won't skid. And that is the greatest. Here's a piece that's sitting on just plain cloth. It's not going to skid. Literally, what you're doing is you are preventing something from skidding. See, the cloth will skid, the paper will skid, but with paper tape turned inside out, you're wrapping it around, you're making a double-sided piece of tape, putting it on the back of your mask, where your nose is, just a small piece, and you have the perfect anti-skid on your mask, so it's not going to go anywhere. And let me tell you, I have tried masking tape, I've cellophane tape, duct tape, electrical tape. No other tape works. The only tape that works is the tape that is paper tape made for our skin, because when it goes on and you've got a cut and you're taping your hand up, this is waterproof now. It doesn't go anywhere until you take it off. So I hope I've given you a suggestion if you've got a slippy mask, and maybe this will help. Have a great day, and don't forget to eat what you grow. Bye-bye, everybody. I even put it on this one. My neighbor gave me this for my birthday. And look at that. What a wonderful present. Now, it doesn't matter. It's not going anywhere. I can't even pull it. It's perfect.